Good morning, everyone. Let's talk about breakfast, the most important meal of the day. You've heard it before, right? But let me ask you this. How many of you actually feel like breakfast is a priority? Between rushing out the door, managing work, and juggling life's responsibilities, breakfast often gets pushed to the bottom of our to-do lists. But what if I told you that starting your day with a healthy breakfast could transform not just your morning, but your entire day? Imagine waking up, feeling energized and ready to take on the world instead of dragging yourself through the morning fog. That's the power of a nutritious breakfast. A good breakfast can jumpstart your metabolism, stabilize your blood sugar, and set a positive tone for the day. But what does a healthy breakfast actually look like? Let's dig in. First off, let's talk about the foundation of any great breakfast: whole grains. Think oatmeal, whole grain toast, or quinoa. These aren't just trendy buzzwords, they're packed with fiber, which keeps you feeling full and satisfied longer. Plus, they provide your body with the energy it needs to power through the morning. If you're someone who's always on the go, overnight oats are a game changer. Just throw in some oats, your favorite milk, a dollop of yogurt and some fresh fruit the night before, and voila! You've got a delicious, nutritious breakfast waiting for you when you wake up. Now, let's add some protein to the mix. Eggs, Greek yogurt, nut butter. These are your best friends in the morning. Protein not only helps you feel full, but also fuels your muscles and keeps your energy levels steady. If you're not a fan of eggs, try a smoothie packed with spinach, banana, and a scoop of protein powder. You'll be amazed at how refreshing and satisfying it can be. But wait, there's more. Don't forget about the fruits and vegetables. They are nature's candy and are bursting with vitamins and minerals. Throw some berries on your oatmeal, slice up a banana, or even toss some spinach into your morning smoothie. Adding these colorful ingredients not only enhances the taste, but also boosts your nutrient intake. The more vibrant your breakfast, the better. Now, let's address a common misconception. Breakfast doesn't have to be traditional. Who says you can't have a little fun? If you're craving something sweet, try making a healthy pancake batter using mashed bananas and oats. Or how about a breakfast burrito filled with scrambled eggs, black beans, and salsa? Get creative. Breakfast can be whatever you want it to be, as long as you keep it nutritious. And here's a little secret. Planning is key. If you want to make healthy breakfasts a habit, take some time on the weekend to prep. Chop up veggies, portion out ingredients, or even batch cook some healthy muffins. When you have these things ready to go, you'll be less tempted to skip breakfast or grab something unhealthy on the way out. But let's get real for a moment. I know life gets busy. There are days when you might hit snooze one too many times and the thought of cooking feels overwhelming. On those days, smoothies are your best friend. Just throw your favorite fruits, a handful of spinach, and some yogurt or protein powder into a blender, and you're good to go. So, what's the takeaway? Prioritize your breakfast. It's your chance to fuel your body and set a positive tone for the day ahead. Whole grains, protein, fruits, and veggies. These are the elements that will elevate your morning routine. Now, if you're ready to reclaim your mornings and transform your health through the power of breakfast, join our community at Fitness Mantra. Let's embark on this journey together. Together, we can unlock the secrets to a vibrant existence, one meal at a time. So, what are you waiting for? Rise and shine and let's make breakfast the best meal of the day.